We have an iPhone XS. It has a problem with Face ID. Let's go into deep dive after the intro. Now disassembling the display panel. Removing the camera module from the phone body. Now checking the Face ID. The system reported Face ID chip is fused. Need to replace the chip. Taking backup of old Face ID data. This is new Face ID Flex with a Face ID chip. Rewrite the chip with the old backup. Going to the microscope for the next process. Now we will replace the old Face ID Flex from the camera module with a new one. Remove the Face ID projector panel with a hot gun from the camera module. After that, clean the connector points. Now removing 4BF8 IC. Makes the points short. Adding Face ID projector with new flex cable through the soldering paste and hot gun. Adding Face ID panel with the camera module. Assembling the phone. Now checking the Face ID. It's working fine. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.